Have you ever experienced severe pain but avoided medication because of the side effects? If your answer is yes, you've come to the right place. In this video, you'll learn how to effectively reduce knee and back pain using the Reflexology foot massage technique. So, stay with us until the end. Back and knee pain are problems that many of us deal with at some point in life. It might be caused by sitting for too long, intense activity, or even the daily stress we all experience. And over time, it can take a real toll on our quality of life. But here's some good news. There's a simple, natural way to help ease this pain. It's called Reflexology foot massage, a technique that works by gently pressing specific points on your feet. This helps to improve circulation, release muscle tension, and activate your body's natural healing processes. So, why not give it a try? Just a few minutes of reflexology could make a world of difference. In this video, we're going to show you how to reduce back and knee pain using the Reflexology foot massage technique. So, stay with us and follow along. The area we're focusing on is located right here, on this part of the foot. If you look closely, there's a triangular-shaped spot between two bones. This is where the reflex points for the back and knees are located. To massage this area, press it firmly with your thumb, or use a sliding motion with your thumb. There are also reflex points for the sciatic nerve and lower back in this area. These spots need to be massaged as well. Pay close attention to how we massage this section. Reflex points for the lower back curve, the groin, and the upper back are also located here. You can include these areas in your massage as needed. The reflex point for the lower lumbar spine is found right here. Massage it using a sliding motion with your thumb. Finally, this part of the heel corresponds to the lower back and the sciatic nerve. Make sure to massage this area thoroughly. Now, repeat the steps you performed on the first foot carefully on the other foot. Don't forget, for reducing stress, balancing the nervous system, and achieving overall relaxation, massaging and applying pressure to the solar plexus point is very important. Make sure to do this step, as this key point can have a powerful impact on calming and relieving your body. You'll see, it's totally worth it. And there you have it. With just a few simple reflexology techniques, you can help relieve back and knee pain naturally and effectively. Remember, taking care of your body doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes all it takes is a little bit of time and the right approach. So why not give it a try? You deserve to feel better, to move freely, and to enjoy every moment without pain holding you back. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and share it. And if you're looking for more ways to improve your health and well-being, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more. Here's to a healthier, happier you. See you in the next video.